Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
In today's tutorial, guys, we're going to be learning how to make this delicious Okazi soup. Okazi is the same as afang, and that leaf you can make it in different ways. So for today, we're pairing it with Eguzi, that's melon seed, and a thickener called Ofor. You can also decide to pair it with achi. The first thing to do is to wash your protein and add it to the pot. Add your seasoning, salt, pepper. Add your stockfish, cover it and bring it to a boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to introduce your dry fish. Use any dry fish of choice. After introducing the dry fish, you're going to add water, add pepper, cover it again, and bring it to a boil for another 10 minutes, all right, to enable everything, the fish and the stockfish and the proteins, to marry each other. And then you cover again and make sure it's 70% done, and you remove it and set it aside. Now in the same pot, you're going to add your oil and allow it to get a bit hot. Don't bleach it. All right, you're going to season it with seasoning cubes, salt. You'll stir. After stirring, you're going to add your first thickener, which is Ofor, and then you fry it. You can also decide to add the egusi first, and when it boils, you add your Ofor to hold it. After frying the Ofor, okay, you add the egusi and you fry it together into the same oil. This is my pattern. This is my style. You can decide to do what works or what you know how to do. There would also be an issue for you to try new methods if you want, okay? So you stir and reintroduce the proteins into the melon, and you stir together to combine. Add water that you'll be cooking the soup with properly, cover it and bring it to a boil for 20 minutes. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, we make soups in large quantity here. So if that interests you, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel so you see our videos each time we upload. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for supporting us. We do appreciate you. Thank you very much. So after 20 minutes, you're going to stir on the pot so the soup does not get burnt. After stirring, you're going to introduce your crayfish. I'm using prawns here, okay? You can use crayfish, it's fine. And stir together to combine and cover it again to boil for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see that the texture of the soup has changed, meaning that the melon is properly cooked here. And I'll be adding another prawns and I will stir together to combine. After stirring, this is the right time to add your periwinkle. After adding, you will stir again to combine. Mind you, if you're making soups, you definitely will have to stir. Alright, cover it again and bring it to a boil for 3 minutes, and then allow it to boil and you put off the heat. For this Okazi soup, right, you won't add the Okazi while the soup is still boiling on fire. When the soup is ready, just as you see me do, I'll put off the heat and allow it to get cooled for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll come back and stir on the pot to make sure that the heat is well evaporated, and I will add the Okazi leaf. After adding the Okazi leaf, you will stir to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Will you be trying the soup? Let me know in the comment section. And if there's anything you want to ask, the comment section is also there for you to pen down your concerns, and I'll be there to respond to you. Okay, now you have to keep stirring, all right, to make sure that your Okazi leaf is well incorporated into the soup, and after stirring you'll be getting something like this, and the soup is ready to serve. Now you can pair with any swallow of choice. You can pair with fufu, you can pair with gari. And this is where we'll wrap up for today. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next one, do have a pleasant day.